Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Aries Rod. I don't know how to pronounce it properly. Get on your boat and just drive to the Tropical Grove. I think. Yeah, to the left. I don't know why I went right. The journey is going to be a little bit long, so buckle in. Okay, what's the time? 11. I've never worked this late in a long time. Anyways. Now that we're here, just go to this waterfall and go behind it. And you're going to see that there is a cave here behind this gemstone. You're going to go behind it, and here's where you can purchase it. It costs 3 million coins, which I don't have yet. So yeah, that's where you can find the Aries Rod and Fish It. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!